welcome to another tech tip, and I'm going to get right into it. We are in Edmentum, and I want to show you how to look at your course curriculum. So the first step, when you log in, you're going to come into this. This is what they call the Sensei. This is your home view. It gives you alerts, messages, shows you what students are working on. But I know a lot of you right now are wanting to look at the curriculum and see what students are reading, what materials they're studying. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to Courseware, and right now you have a training account. Eventually under Courseware, you'll have an account that is your school's name, but right now we're in the training account. And when you come on, it immediately gives you this little report that shows what students have been doing, okay? But right now we're really just looking at the courses. So you're going to go to Manage Courses. And let's say you want to look at a course. I'm going to go ahead and look at English 10, just because it's up top. You do expand with the little arrow and collapse with the little arrow, very much sort of like how the navigation works in eCourse, right? Or in Apex. You have the option to do reports here. You have the gradebook. And what we are all interested in, the View Curriculum button. So I'm going to click the View Curriculum button, and it's going to come up with an outline for the course that is all the materials the students need to do. So this is probably the thing that you want to look at. This gives you a syllabus so you know what this class talks about. Most of the material is presented as a tutorial with a follow-up as a mastery test, okay? These dates in here, these target dates, are based on a target end date that you can put in when you enroll students in a class, okay? You can come in here and lock, unlock, hide, omit, or target date for any activity. So once you have students, these are things that we may be using. For example, I may omit the pretest, right? So I went ahead and omitted that. And then they start with the discussion, right? Discussions, I don't quite have figured out how they intend for you to actually grade this, right? Because they have no place for them to record or write anything. So what makes communication successful? What can cause problems in communication? How can these problems be resolved? I think this is going to be a thing where you can put in a grade for this, so you're going to have to go to the student and make them do this discussion, right? So then to do a tutorial, you click on it, and it opens up, and within a tutorial you have resources, you have a dictionary, you have reading tools, you have translation tools, and you have a highlighter, okay? You also have a table of contents here that shows you all the parts of the lesson. And this is just like so many other things. We have the ability to just go next and click right through. The student is not required to do any of the parts of the tutorial. They can click through without doing it. Like here, it tells them to highlight details. There's nothing that forces them to actually do it. This does give us the answer to those details, right? But anyway, I'm not going to spend a bunch of time in English. I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to get into a course and look at things. And of course, you can look at those mastery tests and those tutorials and get to know the courses for next year. Hope you're having a great week. Bye.